I know what you're thinking. Ross, my AI game is weak. How do I step it up to the next level? Become friends with all the cool kids. I've been there. Being a cool kid is hard. Thankfully, your boys got you. I'm gonna give you some pro tips that's gonna help you right along your way. Starting with this one. Pro tip number 1. The more descriptive you are, better the results. Let's try it together. So open Photoleap right now.
Choose AI creation tools.
We're gonna type in our description of what we wanna create. Notice the amount of details that I'm gonna be including right here. Now, choose one of our in-app styles. You can always add your own favorite art style, but let's go with ethereal. Moving on to pro tip number 2, repetition. Moving on to pro tip number 2, repetition. See where I'm going? Cool. This is gonna help give us some more details for maximum results. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add in some more description. The woman is wearing a white dress, and the mountains have snowy caps. Boom. Hit generate, and we've got a more detailed image already, just that quick. Now let's just go ahead and we can mess around with a different style, get a variety of different results, because you have to notice each style enhances the photo in different ways, all right? Which gives you so many different options, with the main theme always remaining the same. So for instance, I'll choose floral right now, and we'll tap generate and see what we got. Booyah. Right there. See, now that's what I'm talking about. This is how I do what I do, all right? Now you can decide to export with or without the prompt and with or without the Photoleap watermark. And this is where it's gonna get cool. This is for you. Now use your image together with other Photoleap effects to create all sorts of creations. Now listen, the possibilities are endless, I'm telling you. And once you're happy with the photo that you've created, all that's left to do is just simply export and share. Send this out to my friends, exclude my family. Come on, it's not that hard. It's not rocket science. You'll be cool in no time. Not as cool as me, but listen, one step at a time. Baby steps. I'm proud of you already.